Hi, and welcome back to Taco Tech Tuesday. I recently acquired a sign. It says, "You can't make everyone happy. You're not a taco." But do you know what can make people happy? Getting tacos delivered to their house. So you can check out one of our Smart Connection Kits. It contains more things than what I'm going to show you today. It also contains things for telemedicine. However, we're going to focus on the items that you could use to order a taco. First, if you'd like to use an Android version, you go get the Samsung tablet, which will allow you to connect to the internet to find some taco delivery services near you. You can also use the Google Nest Mini to find them, as well as find out which ones are the best. You can ask Google who's close to you, and we'll bring you tacos. After ordering them, you probably want to turn on the light to make sure that they can find your house. Again, we're not going to get up out of our chair. We're just going to use the Philips Hue light bulbs to turn on the light from your tablet. Then, of course, we want to see the taco delivery person coming to our door to make sure they have all of our tasty tacos. So, we will have used the Ring doorbell so that when they ring the doorbell, we'll be able to see who is there, and you can also communicate with them again without getting up out of your chair. Now, if you prefer the Apple version, you can do these same things with using the iPad and the Echo Show 10, where you can ask Alexa who has the best tacos near you. Once you have your tasty tacos, you probably want to turn on some taco tunes. You will have your stereo connected to this smart plug, so you can control your stereo from your tablet or iPad. And of course, should there be a storm and the electricity go out, we still want tacos. So each kit comes with a power bank so that you can connect your device to this power bank and still access the closest taco delivery service. Now, it's time to order some tacos.